Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today I'm going to show you a wholesome chana kebab roll recipe which is super yummy, packed with protein and makes for a great meal for any time of the day. To amp up the flavor and taste, I have also added some spicy chatpata mango salsa. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll take a cup of chickpeas, add sufficient amount of water and soak them overnight. Now let's take the soaked chickpeas, drain the water and we'll rinse them a couple of times. Add the chickpeas in a pressure cooker. Add about 3 cups of water. And cook them for around 15 minutes. Till the chickpeas are cooking, we'll prepare the salsa. Add 1 cup chopped mango, 3/4 cup chopped tomato, half cup chopped onion, 3/4 cup chopped cucumber, 2 chopped green chillies, half cup chopped coriander, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Give it a good mix. And the mango salsa is ready. We'll keep this aside and check on the chickpeas. The chickpeas are cooked. We'll discard the water and transfer them in a large bowl. Now we'll add half tablespoon grated ginger, half tablespoon grated garlic, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, 2 chopped green chillies, 1/4 cup chopped coriander and 3 tablespoon rice flour. Mash it and mix it with your hand until everything is well combined. The kebab mixture is ready. Now we'll heat up about 2 tablespoon oil on a medium heated pan. Take handful of the mixture and shape it into a kebab like this. Place it on the pan and as it fries, make more kebabs similarly. Cook the kebabs from all the sides till they are crisp and golden. The chickpeas or chana kebabs are ready and it's time to assemble the roll. For the roll, you can use store-bought tortillas. Here I am using my homemade whole wheat tortillas. You can check out the link above here or in the description. Now add the mango salsa generously. Add in the kebabs and press them lightly so that they can soak up the salsa well. Now we'll wrap it up. Fix it with a toothpick. And this protein-rich chana kebab roll is ready to enjoy. Spicy, tangy, sweet. These rolls are packed with amazing flavors and make for a perfect, wholesome meal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like such easy meals which can be healthy and tasty as well, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay safe, take care. I'll see you next time.